secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke her throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she threw the hallelujah, 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 mighty living God for Haiti, hallelujah, the deliverance, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Tout haïtien, on nous tout dit ça ensemble. Hallelujah. On nous tout dit alléluia ensemble. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Merci. Thank you.